Terabox has a wide range of AI tools that allows you to go ahead and generate out different contents. So in order to go ahead and access it, you can go to Tera AI right here besides the My Cloud. And here you can see that you got the new project section where under that you can see that you have access to AI presentation maker. Then you have AI essay writer and smart paraphrase option. So you also have the access to them on the home screen right here. There's the AI presentation maker, AI essay writer, and smart paraphrase as you can see. If you were to go ahead and click on one of these, then you can see that you can type in whatever you want. You can paste in the text or upload out file and generate out a presentation slide out of it. You can even go ahead and click on the template right here just like this, go to generate and then generate out content right here. If I were to go around over here back on to Tera AI right here, you even got the essay writer which allows you to go ahead and type in contents, and then you can see that you can even choose the referencing method and then choose the length and generate out essay right here. And then finally you have the smart paraphrase which allows you to go ahead and paraphrase out the contents that you have. And now as we move along in the next videos, we're going to explore each one of them and how we can use AI to generate the contents as we need inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.